Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Open your leg about the hip distance. Inhale, arms up. Grab wrist with other hand. Inhale, shoulders dropping down. Exhale, stretch to your right. And gaze directly up to the ceiling. And make sure to plant 10 toes down. And all four corners of your feet pressing down as well. And inhale, exhale for 2. Shoulders away from ears. 3. Make sure to plant your feet. 4. And stretch your arms opposite way. 5. Inhale, exhale back to center. Okay, now switch. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, toward your left. And gaze directly up to the ceiling. Shoulder blades together. 1. And shoulders away from ear. 2. Plant all 10 toes down. 3. 4. Try to feel the stretch on the whole side of your body. 4. And 5. Inhale, exhale back to center. And drop your arms down. Okay, now cross your leg. And inhale, exhale, bend your front knee and stretch your fingertips to 45-degree angle. Try to feel the stretch on the side of your body and thrust your hips toward 45-degree angle. 1. And shoulders away from ear. 2. Try to feel the stretch also on the hip flexor, this here. 3. And if you want to go deeper on this stretch and create flexibility, go deeper, bend your knees deeper. 4. And 5. Okay, now switch other side. Cross and bend front knee and hip thrust 45-degree angle. Fingertips reaching to the opposite side. 1. 2. Shoulders away from you. Try to create the space. 3. And try to feel the stretch on the side of your body as well as hip flexor. 4. If you want to go deeper on the stretch, bend front knee deeper. And 5. Sink your hips. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Okay, now open your feet about the hip distance, shoulder blades together, interlace your hands behind. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. And shoulder blades together. Widen your collarbones. 1. Relax your neck. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, halfway, exhale, all the way up. Okay, now on to your knee. And from here, keep your knee about your hip distance and live toes, hands on your hips. Inhale, roll your shoulders down and shoulder blades together, look up. Let's take camel pose. Hold your heels and lift up your sternum. Inhale, exhale for 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, slowly back to neutral center and sit down. And from Seiza position, knee together. Inhale, exhale, twist your upper body from your belly button. And palms to the side. 1. Make sure to drop your shoulders. 2. Twist your upper body from your belly button to the top. 3. 4. And 5. Look center and relax. Inhale, let's do the opposite side. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, exhale, look center to release. Okay, so now open your leg about your hip. Mat distance, toes touching, sitting onto the heels. And from here, extend. And I want you to keep looking straight and chin down. 1. A little bit modified child pose. 2. Fingertips reaching forward, 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 and sink your hips down to the heel. 3. 4. As you exhale, try to bring your chest close to the mat. And 5. Sinking down. And from here, and arms go through the underneath your armpit and wrap around the opposite arm behind. And try to look side. 1. 2. Shoulder blades. Try to create space. Shoulder blades. This is a great shoulder stretch. 3. 4. And 5. Release. Now let's do the other side. Go underneath your armpit and wrap around the arms. 1. 2. Reach fingertips sideways. And really stretch around the shoulders. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, now back to center. Let's take downward facing dog, and here I want you to lift up your right leg and drop, bend your knee and drop and open your hips to the side. And try to keep this pose about 5 deep breaths. 1. 2. So this is great to stretch and open up your hips, and also really great to stretch the back of your leg. 2. Hang there. 3. 4. And 5. Back to center and release. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lifting up. And bend your knee and open your hips. Just to the side. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Back to square center. Release. Okay, now inhale, right leg up and step between. And now open your front toes 45-degree angle And back knee back toes down, palms down, and hug your knee. Inhale, exhale, twist. And make sure to, as you twist, sink your hips down so that you can get hip flexor stretch and then upper body twist. Let's take 5 deep breaths. 1, 2. As you exhale, remember, sink your hips down so that you can get maximum stretch. And you can increase hip flexibility. 3, 4. Use your breath to increase your flexibility. And 5. And release back to center. Let's take downward facing dog briefly. And inhale, left leg up. Let's do the opposite side. Step between. And back knee, back toes down. Open your toes, 45-degree angle. Palms down. Hug your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Sink your hips down and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower your hips. And 5. Inhale, back to center. And bring your leg back. Okay, now from here, and open your knee wide and then keep your leg live toes and sit. Okay. And 1. Use your exhale to sink your lower your hips. 2, 3, knee wide open. 4, and 5. And from here, I can show you from profile. Knee open, right? And this time, open your knee about 90-degree angle and then forearms down and look straight. And use exhale to press, gently press your hips down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lower your hips, sinking down, down, down. And now release. And back to seated pose. And inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, hands heart center. Relax. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon.